morning, and on today's Baler Bulletin, I'm James Gibson.
And I'm Ethan Paggy-Lyon.
On August 30th, 1967, the Senate confirmed Thurgood Marshall as the first African American to serve as the Supreme Court Justice. Marshall was no stranger to the Senate or Supreme Court at the time. Marshall was confirmed in a 6-9-11 floor vote to join the court.
He is quoted for saying that, "In recognizing the humanity of our fellow beings, we pay ourselves the highest tribute."
As a reminder, school policy requires students to use assigned parking areas. Parking on the residential streets surrounding our school is prohibited. Check out this video for visual reference.
Students are allowed to park in the football parking lot.
But the painted parkings are off limits unless purchased.
Students can also park in the tennis court parking lot.
You can also park in the Baler Alley parking lot.
Parking spots labeled staff are off limits.
Parking on side streets like the ones behind me is off limits.
Because we like to keep our neighbors happy.
And able to park in the Baler parking lots, you need this parking permit, which
You can get from the online student web store and pick it up in the student activities office for free.
Have you lost or misplaced something? Come take a look in the Lost and Found located in the front office. We have shirts, we have jackets, we have bags, and even an UGG shoe. Check in at the front desk clerks and let them know what you have misplaced.
Seniors, do you need help completing your FAFSA or California Dream Act? The College and Career Center will be hosting February FAFSA Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Join us Friday in February if you need some help. The deadline is approaching quickly, which is in March 2nd, 2022, so don't delay any longer.
Are you interested in being part of a club that completes community service projects? Are you looking to get community service hours for scholarships? If so, come join the Interact Club, which teams up with Hollister Rotary. Our next meeting will take place on Monday at lunch in room 371, Ms. Bonner's classroom.
FFA Week is February 7th through February 11th. Each day we will have dress up spirit days and lunchtime activities on Nash Road. Monday is the Disney dress up, and our lunch activities are milk chugging and freshman and sophomore cornhole playoffs. Tuesday is dress like a teacher or college wear dress up day, and our lunch activities are hay bucking and the junior and senior cornhole playoffs. Wednesday is sport dress up day, and our lunch activity is a cornhole championship. Thursday is all American dress up day, and our lunch events is hay hurdling, tic-tac-toe, and Friday FFA or school spirit dress up day, and our lunchtime activities is our annual bathtub race. Everyone is welcome to participate.
ASB executive applications are available on the ASB Instagram, on the Linktree, or on the SPHS website. The positions available for the 2022 to 2023 school year are ASB President, Vice President, Rally Club President, Student Congress President, Commissioner of Athletics, Commissioner of Clubs, and Commissioner of Social Activities. Please see Ms. Lemos for any questions.
Do you know that Baler Wellness Center holds wellness groups during Baler support time? We will be starting new groups next week. Stop by the Baler Wellness Center for more information, or check us out on our Instagram. Please scan our QR code if you'd like to join a wellness group, and you will be flagged. Be well, Balers.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thank you for watching, and remember, go Balers!
Students are allowed to park in the football parking lot.
But the painted parkings are off limits unless purchased.